Very nice, princess. Excellent. I've got a small gift for you. Around 1,000 miles from here, there's a garden called Zamzam. I bought a rose from there. If you come to the royal banquet wearing the rose, then I'll feel very honored.
It got chopped off. You were saying something, Chief Minister?
Yes, I was. For how long will you keep training yourself in warfare? You two will have to get married to a young, good-looking and handsome man someday. Do you know how worried the emperor is about your marriage? He is always worried about who is going to be the successor to the throne of Baghdad after him. What I think is after your father returns from Hindustan, you should free him from this problem forever.
You are right, Chief Minister. The moment my father returns from Hindustan, I will solve his problem. I will tell him that after him, I will be the successor to the throne of Baghdad. I won't get married and I will become the first woman in the world to get crowned.
But princess,
Grey hair!
though I'm very young, I'm highly experienced.
I will send across the dye to you so that you can cover up the grey, Chief Minister.
I appreciate it.
See you later.
Hey, what are you doing here? Come on, go inside. Can't you see I'm chopping onions here?
That's it, Mom. I can't bear to see you told like this anymore. I think we should get a daughter-in-law to take care of my old mother.
Old? Do I look old to you? I'll trash you with my sandals and teach a lesson.
I was just joking.
So tell me, what kind of a girl do you want to marry?
Who would be the candy of my eyes?
Do you want to marry a confectioner's daughter?
Come on, Mom.
I know very well that my son will marry Princess Yasmin, isn't it?
Yes, Mom. And you know what? Tomorrow is the last day of the royal banquet. Princess Yasmin's procession will be taken out tomorrow, and I will go to see her.
But are you planning to go to see her in these clothes?
Yes.
Be here, I'll just be back. Listen, take this. Buy some new clothes for yourself,
Mom? You always save money to use in a needy hour.
That is because a woman can give her life for the sake of her children. This is nothing as compared to that. Listen, you go every year to see the princess. But something or the other goes wrong. I have a feeling that this year you will definitely meet the princess.
Mom, you had saved this money to visit the physician.
I only had some cough. I didn't need to visit the physician.
Mom.
I'm being honest. I had taken ginger and honey the other day. I got relief from that. And tomorrow when I'll see you dressed like a prince, then after seeing you, your mother will be absolutely fine.
You are the best mother in this whole world. Tomorrow I will meet the princess at any cost.
But hurry up, otherwise you'll be late.
Okay.
Aladdin! Listen, buy some new innerwear for yourself. For how long are you going to wear these tattered ones?
Mom!
Listen, don't forget to buy them.
Hey, leave them. Leave it. Do you know how expensive these clothes are?
Children laugh when tickled, and when one has money in his pocket, then even expensive clothes seem affordable.
Tell me, from where did you get this real coin? Oh, I understood. Your father, who is a traitor, might have given this.
How do you know my father was a traitor?
Well, people say that.
Do you know what? If I do not buy clothes from your shop, then what will happen?
What will happen?
I'll have no problem. I can always go to other shops and buy clothes.
Yeah.
But the people are gonna say that you had gone to the great Baggu shopkeeper. Why didn't you buy clothes from there? Now, how can I badmouth about you? I'm just gonna say just like that, I didn't buy. But the people who create rumors, they're gonna do their job.
Yeah.
They're gonna say, Baggu shopkeeper must be selling at a very high rate. And that too cheap clothes, which are not even worth it and not durable.
You tore it.
Word's gonna spread. Forget about handkerchief. They're not even gonna buy a thread from your shop. From this great shop, you're gonna come on the streets. Instead of these gold coins, you're gonna have bowl in your hand. And you'll ask people to spare arms for you.
Give me some arms in the name of God.
All right then, I'll take your leave.
Hey, wait. Take anything you want. Have some mercy on me.
Oh my god, it is so heavy. Oh!
Pitti! Hey, I was on my way to meet you and you have rented my aunt's house and you're my childhood friend. But still you have no time to meet me, huh? Wow. Take this.
Stop lying. You two don't have time to meet me.
By the way, Pitti.
Yes?
I have something important to discuss with you.
What? What do you want to talk about?
It's about Princess Yasmin.
I have a lot of work to do. I can't talk to you. I have to buy flowers for the princess. I have to get water for the flowers. I have to get bucket for the water. I have to buy rope for the bucket. I have a lot of things to buy. I can't talk to you right now.
Pitti, wait! Pitti, listen to me! Oof. Why are you extending your hand?
What were you about to say? Tell me.
Listen, Pitti, you've never let me meet the princess up till now. And besides, tomorrow is the Feast of Peace. Tomorrow the princess's palanquin will come out of the palace. Promise me that. You'll make me meet the princess tomorrow. And I'm sure she must remember who I am.
Just in your dreams.
You said something?
No. You have wasted an hour of my time while talking.
I've not just wasted an hour of your time. It's been a long time of 10 years, 3 weeks, and 1 day. 3 hours and 50 seconds already.
Hey, that's not right. Put one more.
Roses remind people of their love, but tomatoes remind me of my love. I'll rob a lot of riches and
What?
I'll earn it.
Oh.
I'll earn a lot of riches. My uncle is fat like a pumpkin and my love is red like tomato. Wow, I love tomatoes.
Aladdin, you won't realize that I love you a lot if you keep dreaming about the princess.
The magical lamp. Once I get the lamp and its genie, everything would be so easy. I'll get the princess and also Baghdad. Couldn't you both make the other half of the burnt map?
Brother-in-law, I think that someone has fooled you very badly.
Yes, brother-in-law. They are all just made-up stories.
They are not stories, they are real. Omar has made this map. And he never lies.
Mother, is it true what people say about my father? Tell me, Mom, 20 years ago, what did my father do?
If he had taken my side 20 years ago, then the king of Baghdad would have been me. But alas, he turned out to be very honest and loyal.
I want to know the truth, Mom. Was father really a traitor?
Aladdin!
I got him framed as a traitor.
Don't you dare say that again. Your father? Your father is an honest and brave man. And he isn't dead. He's alive. Aladdin, my heart says that he will be back someday. He'll be back someday for sure.
Mom.
Omar had absconded and burnt the map to the magical lamp before he left. And I found half of that map. How can I find the magical lamp with only half of the map?
I know a man. The Black Thief.
Mom, I do not know whether Dad was a traitor or not, whether he's alive or not. But had he been here, then you would not be living in this miserable life. People wouldn't taunt us and I wouldn't have become a thief. Dad has left us in a very bad condition. But I shall change our condition, Mom. I wish I had something magical through which I could take my mother out of this poverty. Mom!
Have you woken up? Freshen up and get ready. I'll just get the breakfast for you.
I think Mom is still upset about the last night's issue. But I know the right way to pacify my mom.
Aladdin, did you get ready? I've brought breakfast for you. Where did he go?
Guess who am I?
Stupid boy.
Mom!
A mother can recognize every heartbeat of her son. You thought I would not recognize you?
Since you've recognized me, then have a good look at me and tell me how do I look? Beware all beautiful girls, here I am. I'm the lover of beautiful girls and the enemy too. My style is out of this whole world.
Which song is this?
It's not a song yet, but one day it will become a hit. Okay, Mom, I shall meet the princess at any cost today.
Yes, but...
Do not think of ifs and buts, mother, right now. Have faith in your son.
Yes, but...
There is no scope for any doubts. I will go to Uncle Shop and inform him that I'm going to spend the evening with someone else.
Yes, but...
But I shall have my breakfast first and I will also take a rose for her. Mwah.
Yes, but wear your pants at least.
Yes. Gulbadan, how do I look? I brought new clothes. Tell me how they look.
They look like my old clothes. The moment princess sees me, she will say...
Gullu.
What did you say?
Gullu. She will call you Gullu.
You are my real brother. Brother, my clothes are new. But where will I find the shoes?
The way you behave, you'll get boots anywhere.
Yeah, you are my real brother. Flowers? Whom are these flowers for?
I will give it to her.
To whom?
To her.
To whom?
To
her.
the goat. We will save some money on its food. Feed these flowers to the goat. You cannot go to see the princess today.
Why, Aunt?
It's the last night of the Feast of Peace. The Black Thief will come to us, and through him, we are going to get the magical lamp. In order to catch the Black Thief, I've laid out a trap, just like this. And this is the bait to trap the Black Thief. Landlord Habibullah did not pay tax to the emperor. Hence, his ancestral blue diamond is being auctioned. And tonight, this blue diamond will be placed in the royal treasury. The entire city will be busy in the feast. The Black Thief would be busy stealing the diamond. The blue diamond stolen from Habibullah will leave the Black Thief to us.
You are my real brother. You will steal the diamond. And the landlord Habibullah will shut his mouth forever.
Dear, If you get this diamond, we'll lead a rich life.
We will be beaten to death. Aunt. Aunt, that diamond will be under strict surveillance. It would be really foolish to try to steal that diamond.
Aladdin, let me do something wise today.
Are you going to divorce father?
If you refuse to do this for us, then I shall tell your mother that the thief whom she hates so much, he's none other than her own beloved son.
The Black Thief.
Just think, how would that poor woman feel?
You are my real brother.
The Black Thief.
I'm thankful to God that my son is not like that black thief.
The thief whom she hates so much, he is none other than her own beloved son.
Very nice, princess. Excellent. I've got a small gift for you. Around 1,000 miles from here, there's a garden called Zamzam. I bought a rose from there. If you come to the royal banquet wearing the rose, then I'll feel very honored.
It got chopped off.
You were saying something, Chief Minister?
Yes, I was. For how long will you keep training yourself in warfare? You two will have to get married to a young, good-looking and handsome man someday. Do you know how worried the emperor is about your marriage? He is always worried about who is going to be the successor to the throne of Baghdad after him. What I think is, after your father returns from Hindustan, you should free him from this problem forever.